And then we have the check-in, which is for attendees. Then you also want to keep them there throughout the event. So getting those workshop numbers and also the final project submissions.
What's over here?
Thank you. Okay. So starting with registration. The most important thing for registration is visibility. The worst thing that can possibly happen is a week after your event, you're talking to one of your CS friends and you say, oh, did you go to a hackathon? And they're like, what hackathon? Right? That's absolutely the worst feeling. So make sure your name is out there, everybody knows where it is and when it is. So again, the two most important things are the name and the date. Everything else, they can get from the QR code. Have your name up in big letters everywhere. Now, all college campuses are just covered in a thin layer of posters. But they do genuinely work. The posters are the highest percentage of the graph when we ask attendees how they actually heard about our event. So when you're doing postering, just get a group of organizers together, print out at least 50 every single time, and just go and put them in every place someone can see who we look. And don't just do one round of posters, do multiple rounds, change up the design a little bit. Keep the same continuity and theme, but make it fresh and put it in their minds again. And don't just poster. See if you can get a banner up. A big banner like that in a high traffic location on campus really makes your event look big and official. It will really bring people back. And also a table. Table at any school event, maybe you have an alumni weekend, maybe just for fun. Answer people's questions. What is a hackathon? How do you do that? And then do the same thing for the Instagram. I don't think it's said eventually. For the Instagram, get your school to repost it. I just suck at using it. Okay. Get your school to repost it. Put yourself on your school's official Instagram account. Maybe you guys have a CS Instagram account. Maybe you guys have other clubs, the student union. Get it on their Instagram stories so more people actually see it. And talk to your professors. Believe it or not, your CS professors want their students to develop software skills, right? This might sound obvious, but if you talk to them, build that relationship, they can give their students extra credit for going to your event, maybe for submitting a project depending on how strict they're being, and that can really help incentivize people to wake up early on a weekend to work on their homework, right? And also, talk to professors about doing in-lecture advertising, right? If you want to hit every single CS major at your school, go where they are. They're in all of the big CS classes. Just for a few minutes at the beginning of the lecture, talk to the professor so you can get a slide up. Point out the big things. So you want like prize money, swag, free food, all of that. I'm trying to. Okay, the next thing, retention. Now you let them through the door, how do you actually keep them there? Design the space around your hackers. Think through the UX of your event. So they want to know what the schedule is. They want to know where things are. What are the workshops? Put that posters, signage everywhere. And have clear tables for hacking so you can create a good atmosphere of collaboration and teamwork. And it's not just hacking. Thank you. And it's not just hacking workshops. Make sure there's also fun events, right? So something like Midnight Boba will keep you retention into it all into the night. We had 360 cups of boba vanish in under 10 minutes, which is incredible, right? Because it's in the middle of the night, everybody's there. This is the takeaway that they're actually going to have from your event. They'll remember drinking boba with their friends at midnight. They might not remember, the bug they put in their code that messed up the demo, right? And keep the demos in person. Make sure people actually show up at the closing ceremony or requiring in-person attendance for the prize winners, right? Because again, if you're announcing prize winners and none of the teams are actually there, it makes your event look very goofy. So, slide.